On this historic day, we gather under the unifying spirit of Hogbetsotso, a festival that reminds us of the resilience, unity, and foresight of our ancestors. It is fitting that this year's launch takes place here at the Okabu Agricultural College, a place with its own history of service and sacrifice, a place that now stands at the crossroad of destiny. This college was founded in 1964 with a simple but powerful mission to produce Ghana's agricultural manpower. For decades, it has trained agricultural extension officers, young entrepreneurs, farm managers, and farmers as such. However, from the valleys of the Volta region to the savannas of the north, the imprint of our graduates from this prestigious college remains visible, but the school remains neglected.